Hey, what's going on, you guys? Josh here from the DeFi guys. I want to do a quick update on CMB, show you guys my progress over the course of the past 2 months. As you can see here, we're logged into my back office. We did get started on the 7th of January, and today is currently March 13th. And if we jump over here to the dashboard, you guys can see my earnings over the course of the past few months in this specific income stream. Right around $2,765 total withdrawn in this specific opportunity. So what is this? Essentially what this does is it trades on the Binance futures, leveraging a trading bot, and passes down daily earnings between 1.2% up to 1.8% per day. So all you would need to do is simply deposit. When you deposit, you start accruing that 1.2 to 1.8% per day. Right off the bat, after 8 months, you can actually take out your original deposit. So if we jump over here to the presentation, you guys can actually see this in a lot more detail. I'll just jump down to the summary. You can feel free to go through this at your leisure. One of the cool things about being on my CMB team is not only are you able to earn from the passive side, which is that 1.2 to 1.8%, but also you can earn from the affiliate side. So let me just jump from this slide to the dashboard again, and I want to actually show you guys something. Because if you look at a lot of leaders in these crypto opportunities, they're making a good chunk of change from their network earnings. So you can see my network earnings, this is from referrals, $2,541.39. So that's where you can actually mitigate your risk. So let's say that this thing's around for maybe 5 months, 6 months, right? You have to rely on that daily percentage to eventually get to your break-even point and get into profit. But if you're able to earn money from the affiliate side too as well, you can mitigate your risk and get into profit very, very quickly. So you can see that my deposit is 605, but my network earnings is well over that. And that's what we want to go ahead and do, is we want to leverage the passive side and we want to leverage the active side, which is through recruiting. So essentially all you do is you, of course, make your deposit. $50 of that deposit goes to purchase and activate the bot. Anything after the $50 is used for trading, right? So you have the different levels of deposits right here. Again, approximately 1.2% to 1.8% daily. You can deposit $50 all the way up to 100,000, it says right here. And then, of course, you can generate commissions, like I said, from team building. So again, you have the passive side right here. You have the active side right here. If you can make both of these work, you could be very, very successful with opportunities like this. Now, the cool thing about what I offer to my team is you get to copy my exact marketing materials that I'm actually using to get these results. You get to copy the assets, the traffic strategies, and everything in between. And to do that, all you need to do is join my DeFi Guys Mastermind, which you can get access to as step 2 below in the description. Click that link, you'll get a free 14-day trial. So if you really want to leverage both sides of this, highly recommend joining that mastermind group. You also get exclusive access to a lot of other amazing things, my portfolio, when I make my moves in my portfolio, et cetera, et cetera. All the details will be explained on the sales page below. But you can see right here that this talks a little bit more about the compensation plan, some results from trading on Binance futures, where it's a global platform, as you can see, across the world. And if we scroll down here to the bottom, this just summarizes everything. So again, 1.2 to 1.8% daily. You can withdraw your profit daily, withdraw commissions daily, minimum $20 daily withdrawal amount. The fees are 5%, 24 withdraw payout, 24-hour withdraw payout, and you can withdraw your bot profit every day, and of course your initial capital after 8 months. So guys, that is CMB. That is the update. Again, after 60 days, it's still working and it's working well. Again, with these things, we don't know how long they're going to be around for. That's the risk that we run when we get involved with stuff like this. So again, always deposit what you can afford to lose at the end of the day. And if you can learn to market and learn to build an audience and build influence in the crypto space, then you can obviously, again, like I said, mitigate your risk. So if you want to shortcut this process to profits, again, jump into CMB, make your deposit. The way that you do that is very simple and straightforward. There's going to be a link in the description below that runs you through that whole entire process on making your deposit. Once you make your deposit, you'll be good to go and you'll start earning that daily profit. And then you can just simply start sharing your affiliate link. Okay. So go ahead, check the video below in the description to get started with a CMB. Again, this is just a quick update video for you guys that have been following my journey. Again, I'm just a guy on YouTube documenting my journey, showing you guys my results. I am not a financial advisor. Please do not construe this as financial advice. But if you want to be a degenerate like me and you are a risk taker, then this may be something for you. So check the description for more resources and subscribe to the channel if you want continual updates on what I'm doing in the world of crypto to make passive income. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.